Yeah, that's what I said.
He almost got impaled in the groin.
Hello. Oh.
Okay, I got it.
I saw you smiling over there. Whoa.
Girls, there's a lot of wood.
It's looking good. Yeah.
Big little treehouse out of it. It's nice.
I think we should keep it.
Nah, I get it. Don't kick.
All right, babe. Should we bring take this one?
Brian's your babe.
We're pretty close.
This is a big one. Can you go over by Oma? Good, Brian? Yep.
Which way are you guys going?
Yep. Which way you
Kind of
going opposite directions?
Oh.
Get one side, maybe.
Hi, my name's Brad, and today we're going to remove our old pool deck. We started to build this wood deck about 20 years ago, and over the years we just gradually added on to it. Just sort of over the years morphed into a bigger and bigger deck. So fast forward to today, and we're going to be tearing down this old deck. We're going to make it a whole lot easier to install a new pool liner, and then eventually rebuild this deck a little smaller. And we're going to use composite wood for on the decking rather than the wood. It's just going to be a lot easier on the feet, we think. So be sure to subscribe to follow along with all things we're doing in our home, with our pool, RV, and yes, with our recent land purchase. So excited about that as well. We plan to stay here in our home for a while, but we did buy some land up north. And we want to bring you along with on that journey as well. Forgot my hammer at Shelly's house. You can see how it's rotting.
The bolt snapped. The wall's coming apart here. The wood's hitting this wall piece. Hopefully this is still all right. I should have done this at first. So that wasn't the easiest way to do it. I should have just cut the post right at the bottom right away. But you try to salvage things and things snowball. And I spent like 2-3 hours here playing with this before I finally decided to just take it all down. So should have had somebody helping me too. I almost got hurt if you noticed that.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours.